Hey guys, welcome back to Paradise. Today we are back looking at wildflowers again, and we got a new one for you today. It's called a bladderpod. It's going to be in the mustard family. This is found in southern Arizona. It's an annual, and it blooms anywhere between about 100 to 5,000 feet elevation. It's going to kind of take over the whole desert floor, and it blooms. It's pretty much going to be the first flower that you will see bloom in the desert. It kind of takes over. If it's a wet winter, it grows really well. If it's a dry winter, it still goes pretty well, but a lot of the other flowers do not grow, so it really takes over on the dry winters. So let's get down here and take a closer look at it. So as I said, it kind of carpets the floor here. So it usually starts growing pretty well underneath the creosote bushes, and then underneath the palo verdes, they kind of take over too. So all the yellow that you see here is all bladderpod. So as I said, it's in the mustard family, and in the mustard family that means it only has 4 flowers. So come down here and take a closer look. There we go. So it's just got the 4 flowers, and they grow anywhere between 4 and 16 inches high, and they just got these little kind of lance-shaped leaves on them. They're really small leaves. But another thing that's really good to identify them with are the seed pods. So as you can see there, they have little pods there. That's their seeds. And you can actually snap them between your fingers and it makes a popping sound. So this plant's also called a popweed. So one of the other plants that you don't want to confuse it with is called a fiddleneck. This is another yellow flower that blooms at the same time as the bladderpod. And it's that green one back there. That one hasn't quite bloomed yet, but that one has some really big yellow flowers, and they'll be drooping down. It'll kind of have like a scorpion tail for a head. And that's why they call it a fiddleneck, but it's going to have hairs on it also. So I did a separate video on that guy if you're interested in him. But that's going to be one of the other flowers that's going to grow right with the bladderpods. Also, you might find a lot of California poppies. A lot of poppies are going to be out at the beginning of the year also. So the bladderpods are actually really cool. They have oils inside of their seeds, and they've actually been used in manufacturing a lot. They did a lot to investigate the oil in it to see if they could use it for anything, and they've actually been using it in the manufacturing of rubber, plastics, linoleum, and nylon. So lots of different uses of this little plant. So there you have it, guys. That's the bladderpod. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. You learned something new, and hopefully you can get out there and see it between February and March down in southern Arizona. It definitely carpets the entire floor. It looks really cool, definitely with all the other flowers out there as well. As the fiddlehead's really cool too. So definitely get out there and check those out. Make sure to subscribe here if you want to see more about wildflowers, more about foraging, plants, animals, anything like that. We're going to be diving really deep into a lot of plants and animals here at Paradise on Penny. So make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.